Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be creating a northern lights using oil pastels. So let's dive in. For the materials, I have Canson pastel paper here that I am taping it down using washi tape, and then I have my oil pastels, of course. These are by Brustro and they come in a set of 48 like this, and they're quite soft and easily blendable. I'm going to blend them with my fingers directly, but you can also use tissues, blending stumps, or even a solvent and a brush. I also have baby wipes to clean my fingers in between. Personally, I think it's fun and easy to blend with fingers, but if you don't like it, you can definitely use tissues or blending stumps. So here I picked up all the colors that I might be using for the northern lights, mostly greens and blues, a white stick and a yellow stick as well to add a little bit of glow. Starting with lighter colors, I'm drawing curvy S-shaped lines and I'm leaving a little bit of gap in between to add darker blue shades, just like how we see in the northern lights. I'm not using any particular reference here because I've painted northern lights so many times, but if you're painting it for the first time or you'd like to understand the colors a little bit more, you can definitely check out some references on Unsplash or Pixabay for better understanding. I'm kind of alternating the colors with blues and greens. Next, I'm going to darken the blue areas a little bit more. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. It'll help me create more such videos for you. Now I'm using the darkest blue color in the set and I'm adding it in the areas that I left blank. I'm also drawing over the lighter blue areas as well to gently blend them together. I would love to know if you have any suggestions or tutorial requests for my future videos. Please share them in the comments below. Once you're happy with the colors and the layout, it's time to blend them. Again, you can use blending stumps or tissues or even a solvent and a brush to blend these colors, but I'm just going to blend with my fingers. I'm starting with the lighter shades first and only smudging the pastels in one direction to keep it smooth and even. While you're blending the colors, make sure to wipe off any excess paint or shades to avoid dirty mixes. This is especially important if you're switching back and forth between blues and greens. There's also a tutorial on how to paint northern lights using watercolors. I'll leave a link in the description box down below, or you can also click on the I button. As I'm blending, I'm also drawing over with oil pastels once again to add more highlights and darken the necessary areas. To add more glow to the northern lights, I'm using a little bit of white over the greens and I'm gonna blend it eventually. First I'm covering up all the areas that needs a little bit more pigment, and then I'm going over with a little bit of black to darken the blue parts even more. I'm blending the colors once again. As you can see, I'm giving a wavy shape to these northern lights to keep it more realistic. Just below the green areas, I'm going over with yellow and white a couple of times to create that soft glow. Now with black, I'm darkening the blue areas just a little bit, and I'm also going to fill up the bottom of the northern lights. For this last layer, I've added a bit of white here and there, even in the blue areas, to create more highlights and details. If you have enjoyed the tutorial so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. add more glow to the northern lights, I'm going over with white underneath the green shades and blending it gently. Now it's time to add some stars. I've taken white acrylic paint. You can also use oil paints. For the mountains, I'm first going over with black oil pastels, and to give it more definition, I'm using black oil paint and a small size round brush. Once you're done with the mountains, let it dry completely and you can leave it as it is, or you can also add a little bit of snow like I'm doing. I've taken white oil pastel stick and lightly going over the black areas and gently blending them as I go. Lastly, I'm adding a few highlights to enhance the snow on the mountains using white paint. And that's it, our beautiful Northern Lights painting is done using oil pastels. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also check out more videos here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram for regular updates. Happy painting. Bye.